In this video, I will compare Loop and Alpine earplugs to help you choose the best protection for your hearing. Both brands are popular, but they offer different experiences. Loop is known for a striking circular design that looks more like jewelry than a medical device. They are stylish and come in various colors, which makes them great for social settings. The ear tips are silicone and generally comfortable for long wear. However, some users find the fit a bit shallow. Alpine features a more traditional clinical look with their unique thermoplastic material. This material softens with your body heat and molds to your ear canal for a custom fit. Alpine plugs often include interchangeable filters to swap protection levels. While Loop is simpler to pop in and go, Alpine provides a deeper seal which might feel more secure during intense movement. Overall, Loop wins on aesthetics and ease of use, while Alpine offers a more technical fit for serious audio enthusiasts. Both are excellent choices for concerts or travel, so consider if you prefer fashion or function.